Alright guys, so here's some of their sales. Look at this. $30 down from $135. This is their precision torque socket set here. 12-piece 1/4 inch metric chrome. Over here you have their SAE impact 1/4 inch, $15 on the rail. And well, that is not a magnetic rail, but you could make that magnetic. 10-piece long reach, $70. There's the kit right there. You got DeWalt stuff here, you know, assembled in the USA for $140 instead of $240. That's the kit. I don't know if they have sales on their carts here, but I'm sure they'll sell you one. Here's some more of their DeWalt stuff. $165. They got, you know, Mac Tools stuff. There's your dartboard. You got shot glasses, high roller glasses, you know, your coffee mugs, all that kind of stuff. All this DeWalt stuff. And then not only that, but they have the Mac stuff here also. So 20 volt, powered by DeWalt, 4 amp hour battery. BWP 151 1/2 inch. Yeah. Got the 3/8 guy there. Got your impact, got your drill. 750 regular down to 460. Oh, you can be your own boss and be your own Mac guy. Right there. Mac Tools, Tex Boss 88202. Oh, look at this. Extra long 1/2 inch ratchet. This is their expert line. 1/2 inch extra long, $45. Now their 1/4 inch is $25. Look at that. Ridiculous. Here's some more of their expert line stuff. 1/4 inch kit, metric, $50. $75. There's that guy. 3/8 set. SAE. The Big Mac high visibility screwdriver set, you know, the one that's kind of like that Cobalt set, $150. We got all kinds of stuff here, everywhere. The Kiwi pliers, I think these are made by Easy Red. I don't see a price on those. But you guys looking for tool deals, if you have a Mac guy and you have an NHRA track around you, go ahead and head there, because if your Mac guy's there, he's gonna have race day specials. Look at that, 1/3 of the price. That's their composite work light, rechargeable. Bit drivers, ratcheting bit drivers. This is a nice, huge cabinet.
It's $350.
Let's hurry up and get through this one, because Tony's getting ready to race. All your pullers here, look, $150, $160. Steering wheel puller, $140. $130 for your big ass kit, 9 and 12 points for your lug nut sockets. Wrench kits here, 1/4 to 1/4 inch, $350. I mean, this is a sale. When it comes to Mac, this is a sale. $40 for their short hex. They know they got the Torx here too. Seal drivers, installers. Let's see the rethread kit. The rethread kit right there for $110. These are their expert line, but $10 for a rail of 1/4 inch. Actually, these are 3/8. 3/8 shallow 6-point. Ridiculous. $50 for a set throw in your truck. But this one's got them all. $160. Specialty wrenches there. $70 for the expert stuff. The long reach ratchet, look, $100. 8-piece kit, 5/16 and 3/4. And you know they got the metric somewhere. If they don't have it out here, they'll have it on one of their trucks. Bits, drills, extractors, dies, punches, chisels, long picks. There's a brake set for $100. It even comes with your quick gauges. Snap ring pliers, $200. This is the Wounded Warrior Project. That's what that is. It's a Wounded Warrior Project kit. Comes with a pen. Comes with your shallow, deep, metric SAE. They got all the pry bars. They got the gear wrench, Excalibur, indexing head. There's their more screwdriver kits. Neck light. There's Nipex. More Nipex. There's the rethread kit again. Mac tool version. We got the anti-vibe stuff over here too, as well as the dead blow. I saw the anti-vibe somewhere. There it is. They got the anti-vibe. Stud pullers. There's your electrical kits. There's some more tester over there. Impacts. R134A, R134A, BCD, the new stuff. Here's the big wrenches. Precision torque. That's their new stuff. Creepers. Battery chargers. DeWalt radios, blowers, impacts. Look, they got the 60-volt flex volt stuff here. No. Ratchets. Yeah. There's the automotive test kit. That's a vacuum pump. Or not a vacuum pump, a vacuum tester. All their Mac Tools stuff. Yeah, if you guys don't know, and you've never been to an NHRA race, the Mac guys, sometimes, you know, the Mac Co guys, I guess, even though I would never buy from them, I'd buy Mac or I'd buy Snap-on or Cornwall if you can. They have race day deals if you can get in the door and come out here and find all kinds of deals on this shit. Like I said, if you got a Mac guy near you, this is a good place to come on race day, because chances are he's going to be here. If he's not here, one of his buddies is going to be here. You take advantage of those sales. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. And don't send me any panties, because they never fit.